My name is Cordelia of Cordy Creative World. I am here to guide you on how to make an elephant sock doll like this. And what you need is a pair of socks. It can be the same color, but for me, I like to be adventurous. And you need scissors, thread, a polyester thread or a cotton thread. And you need this polyester fiber stuffings. This one you can make the purchase online, or if you wish to, if you have some unused pillows, you can recycle the pillow stuffings. But I do strongly recommend for you to put these pillows under the sun for at least a couple of hours. Then after that, you can cut open the pillowcase and use these stuffings for the doll. Now, I'm going to imagine, alright, which is the head and which one I want it to be the body. Okay, this is the body and this is the head. Now, body, let me see. There's an opening here. Alright, and then now, you cut it here. And you cut it in between. And there you are. The body and the legs. The body now. Next, you are to create some 2 ears. Okay, 2 ears. So take a look. Now you notice this one. This is the unused part. Now this part you turn it over. Yes, you turn it over. And then you cut these socks. You follow this. Alright. That means like this. Can you see it? Okay. Now this, put it aside. And can you see this? Now it's like this. And then cut it somewhere in the middle. Alright. So let me see. Yes, and the head. Now, this is the back of the head. Okay, this is the back of the head, and this whole thing. Okay, let me do it for you. All right, now, okay, you cut a hole here, and you're going to create a trunk. Can you see it? You see? That's the trunk. Alright? And this part, where you cut it off, it can become the tail. Okay, put it aside. And 2 arms. Alright? Can you see? It's already cut, but now you do it like this. And then you measure against the legs. Alright? Have a rough idea? Okay, then alright, now what you have is the head, 2 arms, 1 tail, 2 ears, the body, and this part is unused, so put it aside. Put it aside first. Now, I'm going to teach you on how to create a knot. Can you see this? Now, the end of the thread, please put it behind the needle. Put it behind, and your finger touch this thread. Alright? And I want you to turn clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you hold it, pull it downwards, and then a knot is formed. Can you see it? A knot is formed. Okay. Now, I like to teach you how to stitch the head. I recommend you to start from here. You stitch it here, you close it up the hole until here, and then you leave this open. Alright, so it's something like this. See, I already stitch it here until you leave it open, and then you continue to stitch it and to close it. That's what I'm doing now. I'm going to close it. Now, can you see? It's all closed. Okay, that is done now. The head is done now. And the body here, alright? You sew it, you close the hole, you sew it, and then leave this open so that you can put the stuffings inside, and it will become like this. Alright, the head and this. Now, and then the tail. What happens to the tail? It will become like this. Okay. And the ears. The ears here. The 2 ears. And now it will become like this. And the arms. Remember these 2 arms? And it will become like this. Now, all I need to do is to put all this into place. And let's see what would be the outcome. Alright? And here it is. It's all done. What do you think? I hope you understand my guidance earlier, and I wish you to have fun making your own elephant sock doll.